Today's featured car is a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport Rally Sport Resto mod with an LS engine and bigger wheels and tires with four-wheel disc brakes, upgraded suspension, and a nice red paint job on it. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And couldn't find a video for it, but I had some pictures that I took, so figured I'd put the pictures on here. I'm sure somebody'd be interested in seeing it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Chevy Camaro SSRS Resto mod with an LS engine, upgraded suspension, upgraded brakes with four-wheel disc brakes with cross-drilled rotors. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.